Good morning, everyone. This is M's Lusabio channel. Today is Thursday. Haha. Today is Wednesday. April 9, 2025. O, diba? Ang gulo ko. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Good afternoon and good evening all over the world. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Shingo. Stoplight. At tayo papunta sa trabaho ngayon ay what day today? I have to think. It's Wednesday, April. Hi, welcome to M's Lusabio channel. Today's adventure is just walking, just around my work, my place, and everywhere here in Tokyo. Well, everywhere talaga. As usual, this is in Gianmai or Ebisu, and where else? Just walking and walking. Ay, pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ko kayo maisama sa aking trabaho. Ayaw kasi ng mga kasama kong mga coworkers ko na nagbibideo-video. I tried pero yun nga, pagkasabi ko ayaw nila. What day today? Saturday! It's April 11. I think. So here I am again at Gianmai. As usual. Welcome to M's Lusabio channel. Today is beautiful day. Take care, everyone. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, namasyal ako dito sa park malapit sa bahay ko. 5 minutes. Late na ako. I walk in the park in Tamagawa Dai Park, but I'm just hoping to see the... Wala na siya. What is it? Sakura. But I'm too late. It's already gone. So I just walk. It's lunchtime. I just bought some snack and one onigiri. Maganda pa rin. Beautiful pa rin. Wala na yung dating kinukuran ko. Ako na. Kakain muna ako. Galing lang kanina. I don't feel like going home, so I just bought some lunch, an onigiri, a rice bowl from convenient store, and I just ate it here in the park. So I just stayed for a while. There are two teenagers just besides me, and they're wondering what I'm doing. In my front view, here it is, the train that I always riding. That is going back and forth to Yoko Line. This tree is really big. Those are sakura trees. Konting ikot. And that's it. Another place.
Ito na lang ay nabutan ko. Yung pababa. Nice pa rin naman.
Dati ko tong tambayan. Pangalawa ka sa Maruco Bridge. Pero hindi ko na siya napupuntahan. Tinatamad na kasi ako mag-bicycle. This is 5 minutes by bicycle from my place.
Pababa na ako. Meron pa rin siya.
Tamagawa Dai Park or Tamagawa Koen is a public located in Otta Ward, Tokyo, Japan. It contains ancient Kufon burial mounds. It contains a number of cherry blossom trees as well. Bicycle is prohibited on parking here. They will remove it if they see some.
Maglalakad ako dun mamaya. Pauwi sa bahay. Maglalakad lang ako. Dun sa bridge na yon mamaya. Lakad na tayo. Ayan. Nasa mismong dam ako.
Oops. Tama ba? Dam nga ba tawag dyan?
Ano nyo naman ang linis ng dam. Diretso sa dyan. Sa river. Tama river ito.
Dito sa kinatatayuan ko, nasa Otaku ako. Pero kapag tumawid ka dyan sa kabila, dito sa kabila ng bridge, that means nasa Kanagawa ka na. Pagitan lang ay yung bridge. Otaku to Tamagawa. And Kanagawa. Ayan. Yan, tanaw-tanaw mo yung kabilang mga building na yan. That is already Kanagawa Ken. Kaya itong ibon na to, lipad lang ng lipad sa dalawang city.
Thank you so much for watching and I love you all. God bless! Thank you so much for continuous watching. Mwah!
See you next week. God bless.